In this video, I'll share with you how to change eye color in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, take elliptical mercury tool and shortcut to make the selection of her beautiful eye. Right-click your adjustment icon and choose Curve. And brighten the eyes by increasing mid-tone. Choose Layer Mask as Curve Layer. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Radius is around 15 pixels. Then use brush tool with white in foreground and paint around the edge of eyes. Create a group and put the curve layer into it. Copy curve layer to group by clicking and dragging the mask into group. Then choose curve layer and press Shift F5, drop down content menu and choose white. Create hue saturation. Now you can change eye color in hue channel. When you're done, choose Layer Mask in group and use brush again to bring back the black pupil. After that, create curves and decrease the brightness. Then press Ctrl Command I to reverse the mask to black. You brush with 30% flow and paint around the iris. Add another curve and increase mid-tone a little bit in RGB channel. Then decrease the mid-tone in blue one. Move to green channel, decrease a little bit. In red channel, adjust the mid-tone to change the color that you prefer. Reverse Layer Mask with Ctrl or Command I, and use brush with white foreground to apply the effect to the eyes. Increase the flow if needed. Reduce the opacity to 92. Duplicate group with Ctrl or Command J, turn off group 1, and drop down group 1 copy. Change eye color to red in hue saturation layer. Move curve 3 layer to red channel and decrease the mid-tone until it's green. Increase hue channel in hue saturation to 30 to match with the eye color. Enhance brightness in RGB channel of curves layer and blue channel. Increase mid-tone even more. This is green color. Now we'll try with another one. Copy group with Ctrl J, turn off the old one. create a new curve layer and increase midtone in RGB and red channels. Then reverse layer mask to black. Use brush to paint some line in Irish. And go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. 5 pixels is okay. Darken midtone in RGB channel and enjoy. If you like Photoshop and photograph just like Sadesign, and you want to get more and more tips, techniques, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel by simply clicking the subscribe button. You will get tons of free tutorials that Sadesign share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis. If you have any ideas, don't hesitate to leave comments right below the video. We look forward to see your thoughts. Thanks so much for following and supporting Sadesign. See you guys in the following tutorials. Bye bye.